Hi guys, Dalton here. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to use Yodeck. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to create an account, get familiar with the dashboard, add screens, upload media, create apps, build playlists, and design layouts. If you are not familiar with Yodeck, it is a digital signage platform that allows you to manage screens remotely. It works with different devices such as Raspberry Pi, Chrome OS, Fire TV, Windows, Tizen, and more. With Yodeck, you can upload content like images, videos, documents, and even integrate apps like Google Sheets or social media widgets. Everything is controlled through a central dashboard, which makes it easy to manage content on multiple screens at once. Now let me show you how you can create an account in Yodeck. To create a new account, open any browser of your choice and search for Yodeck. Once you click on the official website, then click on the Get Started button at the top right side of your home screen. Once you click, you'll be directed to the sign up page where you have three options for signing up, like continue with Google, continue with Microsoft, or by entering your email address. For now, let us start by entering an email address. Now, after entering your email address, click on the continue button, and when you click, another pop-up window will appear that needs your full name and a strong password to be filled. After entering the required details, click on the register button, and with this, your account creation process in Yodeck completes. After completing the registration process, you'll be asked to go through a short customization process that takes almost 1 minute. Once done, you will land on the dashboard of Yodeck. So let me now give you a small overview of the Yodeck dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, you will see that it's the main center of your account. On the dashboard, there is a left-hand side menu that contains tabs like Welcome, Media, Apps, Playlist, and more. Each of these tabs leads to specific features that allow you to add content and manage it. Now that you have an idea of how the dashboard looks, let's start with the basics. I will show you how to add a screen in Yodeck. To add a screen in Yodeck, make sure you are on the Welcome tab. You will see an Add a Screen option with a plus icon above it. You need to click on the Add Screen option. On the setup page, you will see two choices: Create Virtual Web Player and Connect Your Player. Pick the path you want to use to add a screen. If you choose Create Virtual Web Player, click Create Virtual Web Player. A browser tab will open that behaves like a Yodeck screen. If you choose Connect Your Player for a hardwired device, click Connect Your Player. Select the device type you have like Raspberry Pi, Bright Sign, Fire TV, Web OS, Tizen, Windows Chrome OS, or others. You also see a Skip for Now option to return back to the dashboard. For this tutorial, we will go with Connect Your Player. Once you click on it, a pop-up window will appear. It shows different player types like Yodeck Player, Android Player, Fire OS Player, Web Player, Tizen Player, Windows Player, Bright Sign Player, Web OS Player, and Chrome OS Player. Let's say you click on the Chrome OS option. On the right side, you will see a field called Limitation. If you click on the drop-down menu, you can view the limitations of this player. But anyway, we will click on the Add button to add the screen. Once you click on the Add button, you'll need to provide location access and then enter the registration code. The code is generated when you install and set up the Yodeck Chrome OS app on your device. To get the code, follow these instructions links shown on the same page. This will guide you through installing the Yodeck player on your Chrome device. Once the player app is installed and launched, a unique registration code will appear directly on your device screen. Now, copy that registration code from your device and paste it into the field labeled Enter the Registration Code here. After entering the code, click the Next button to continue. At this stage, Yodeck will connect your device to your account and you'll be redirected to the screen content setup. From there, you can assign a playlist, a layout, or schedule specific media to play on your newly added screen. Now, let me show you how you can add media in Yodeck. To add media, click on the Media tab. It expands into options like All Media, Images, Videos, Audio, Documents, and Web Pages. For this tutorial, we will click on the All Media option. Once you click, you will be taken to the Media page. Here you can see your existing media files already added. You can also add new media, which is what we will focus on now. To add new media, click on the Add Media button. A pop-up window will appear showing tabs like Mass Upload, Images, Videos, Audios, Documents, and Web Pages. The first tab is Mass Upload. It allows you to upload multiple media files at once regardless of their file type. To upload a file, you can drag and drop or click the Browse button to choose a file from your device. Once you upload the files under the Mass Upload tab, you can upload more files by clicking the Add More button. After you complete your uploads, click the Upload button. Once the file is uploaded, you'll be taken to the Add Image page where you can adjust the settings for your media. On the left side, you will see the preview box showing the uploaded file, its details like uploaded date, resolution, and ID once finalized. On the right side, under Image Settings, you can confirm the source, rename the file under Name, and add a description for better organization. You can also set a default duration in seconds for how long the media will display on screen, and add tags under the Manage Tags section. Below that, you have availability settings. You can toggle this on and choose a start date and time, as well as an expiry date and time. If you want the media to stay active indefinitely, check the non-expiring box. Once you finish customizing all these details, click the Save button at the top right corner. Your media is now added to your Yodeck library, ready for use. Now, let me show you how you can create an app in Yodeck. To create a new app, click on the Apps tab in the left menu. Once you click on the Apps tab, the Apps page opens. Here you'll see already created apps and also the option to create a new one by clicking on the Create App button. Once you click on the Create App button, you'll see a variety of apps that you can integrate with Yodeck. These apps cover areas like weather, news, time, social media, and more. For this tutorial, let's choose Google Sheets. Click on the Google Sheets icon and then the new app pop-up window will open. Now click on the Use App button. You'll be directed to the app settings page. Start by entering name in the name field and optionally a description in the description box. Next, paste the embed code from Google Sheets. To get this, go to your Google Sheet, click on File, Share, Publish to Web, and copy the embed code. Paste it here. Under Cells Range, you can specify the cell range like A1, C10. If you want the whole sheet, leave it blank. You can also add a sheet title and adjust the zoom percentage. In the Advanced section, you can add tags, set default duration, and configure availability with start and expiry dates or mark it as non-expiring. Once satisfied, click the Save button at the top right corner. Your app is now added to your library. Now, let me show you how you can add a playlist in Yodeck. To add a playlist, click on the Playlist tab in the left menu. You will be taken to the playlist page where you can see existing playlists or create new ones by clicking on the Add Playlist button. Once you click on the Add Playlist button, a pop-up window appears where you can choose a playlist type and then click the Add button. On the playlist details page, you need to enter a name, a description, and choose options for transition and playback. Now under the playlist section, click on Upload Media to upload a file of your choice. It will appear in the playlist section and under the library section. Finally, click on the Save button to save the playlist. Finally, let me show you how you can add layouts to Yodeck. Layouts define how content is displayed on a screen. To add a new layout, click on the Layouts tab in the left menu. You will be directed to the Layouts page where you can already see added layouts and also create new ones. Once you're on the Layouts page, click on the Add Layout button. You'll be taken to the template gallery where you can create a layout from scratch or use existing templates. For now, let's pick the first template and click on the Import button to import it. Once imported, you can modify the details if you wish. After that, click the Save button. Your layout will now be saved and ready for use with your screens and playlists. This completes the full tutorial for how to use Yodeck. You have learned how to create an account, get an overview of the dashboard, add screens, upload media, create apps, add playlists, and finally set up layouts. Now you can easily manage digital signage with Yodeck and control your content across devices. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.